What up, guys? So in this video I want to show you how to list on DSM Tool a single listing. Okay, this is more a beginner's video, not for advanced. Okay, before we start, I want to invite you to my free closed Facebook group. Okay, there I'm sharing more tips and tricks. Okay, and also I'm answering your questions about eBay dropshipping, if it is in ebay.com or eBay UK. Also, I have an Instagram account that I'm doing a daily tips. Okay, you also can follow me on my Instagram. All the links are in the description. And if you're interested about eBay dropshipping in generally, you need to consider subscribing to my channel because this is the place you need to be in. So let's start. Okay, so basically, I'm now at the rapid lister in DSM. Okay, so here we have single listing and bulk listing. In this video, we'll be covering the single listing. Okay, so let's go to Amazon. Okay, let's just pick a random item. Let's do the dog toy. Go to this one. So basically, what you need to do, okay, you just need to copy the link of the in Amazon, okay, and then you're just pasting the link in this bar and choosing where you want to publish the item. I'm dropshipping on eBay UK, so ebay.co.uk, and the template you're using. I have a default template that I use. So now clicking import. Come on, DSM. Okay, so there you have it. So as you can see, DSM pulled everything. Okay, it pulled the title. The pricing is already you are making the pricing. Okay, if it is what is your break even or what is your desired profit, this is up to you. Okay, it pulls the category, all the item specifics, all the pictures. Okay, you can see also in the description, it pulls the description, the bullets. Okay, that you can see on Amazon. Okay, here are the bullets and also the description. Okay, the also the item has a description down here. Okay, so basically it's really straightforward. It's super simple. Okay, it is speeding up the process. Okay, I know some people still uploading manual items, so this will short your process by a lot. Okay, here you can change your title. You can uh, change your break even, your desired profit, item specifics, all those things, category, and your policies and pictures. You also can change pictures. Okay, and when you finish editing everything, it depends what method are you using, the sniping method, the optimizing method. But when you finish all your listing, you just click on publish now, and you are ready to go. Okay, so this that was it for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you are want to see more videos about eBay dropshipping on eBay UK, ebay.com, subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. And if this video helped you up, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, guys. So I will see you in the next.